What happens when you attach a piece of charcoal to a tree trunk? The result can truly surprise you. Plants often grow stronger with the help of small natural tricks, and this one is very simple to try. Take one piece of charcoal. Then prepare a mix by adding 1 spoon of tea leaves into 1 liter of water. Stir it well. Now place the charcoal in this water and leave it for about 1 hour. This way the charcoal soaks up the tea water and holds the goodness inside. After 1 hour, take out the charcoal. Place it gently against the trunk of your tree. Tie it with thread, rope, or tape so it stays in place. The soaked charcoal will slowly release what it has absorbed, helping the tree stay healthy, strong, and more active in growth. This easy method gives your plant a boost without any chemicals. It works with nature, giving back to the soil and the tree in a safe way. Try it once in your garden and see how your tree responds. Sometimes the smallest step makes a big difference. In the garden, simple care always brings the best results.